Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Solik, and in today's news we have Enter the Haroldverse, a game jam hosted by a human where you make a game focusing on Harold. It starts on July 27th and winners receive cash to buy art, music or other game dev assets. 225 Japan-themed icons by Guti Crime. 32 icons of mouth-watering food by Nina. A casual and social themed music pack by Sonancy Designs and Komodo. Some robot sprites and assets by Sir Sir. And lastly, we have 2 new Tileset packs, Summer Beach Tilesets by Kokoro Reflections, and 24 sheets of tiles for different terrains by Mega Tiles and Komodo. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.